children if you are in school, and good morning if you're joining us at home. Today we're going to look at at these two sounds again that we looked at yesterday. What did they say when we looked at them yesterday? What did they say, these sounds? Ooh, good girl, well done Pippa. They said ooh. This sound says ooh, like blue, blue, okay, or glue. And this one says ooh, like I blew away in the wind, or I flew up the chimney. Okay, but today we're going to learn, or we're going to practice, because you know this already, they can also make another sound. Which other sound can these also make, these graphemes? Sometimes they say ooh, sometimes they say ow. Ow. Sometimes they say you. So sometimes they say ooh, and sometimes they say you. Can you say that, please? You, you, and you. Okay, so today, when we're doing those sounds, you need to make the U sound every time you see those graphemes, okay? So, firstly, let's sound out some words together. So we've got a mixture of both of those graphemes, so both ways of writing them, but they both say the U phoneme, the U sound. Okay, so, oh, hang on a minute, I've got back to front. Oh, we're starting with a good one here, because we should all know how to spell this in year one. It's one of our year one spellings. So, sound it out for me. No, need to sound it out. T-U-S-D-A. Tuesday. So lots of you say Tuesday, but it's not, it's Tuesday. I'm sounding like Miranda now. Tuesday. T-U-S-D-A. Tuesday. Okay? Right. Our next one, let's have a look. This one has the EU grapheme in it, and we can see that it is an alien word. So let's sound it out together. P-U-L-I-N. Oh, very good, my gang. Puling. Load of old nonsense. It's an alien word. Puling. Excellent. Well done. Here is another one. We've learned about these when we were doing our classifying animals. This is an amphibian. And what is it? Newt. A newt is a kind of amphibian. Well done. Newt. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, you can't quite see that. Whoops, you can't quite see that, but this one also is an alien. Look, there's a little alien in the corner. Sound it out for me. All you. All you. All you. Load of old nonsense. Okay, I hope you have got your brains on the high setting. This is a long word here. So, let's sound it out together. Sound it out again. Newspaper. I saw something in the newspaper. Okay, here we have, again, we have got our U phoneme here with the U and the E together. Let's sound it out. T-I-S-U. Tissue. So really, quite often we say tissue with a sh in the middle. But if you're the queen and you talk properly, you say tissue. Tissue. And that's how we spell it, tissue, tissue. Okay, right, let's have a look at this word. Here we have got our U sound at the end of the word. So here we go. Children, can we sound out please in my gang? U. U. Say it again. Curlew. Well done. Does anybody know what a curlew is? I knew you would. Right. Shh. guess what? Nobody will be surprised. Hamish knows what a curlew is. If Hamish knows what it is, what kind of animal do you think a curlew might be? I wonder if any of the other groups know. Go on, Hamish, what is it? It is a kind of bird. Well done. Hamish knew it was a kind of bird. It's got a weird kind of hooked, curled over beak. It's a kind of bird, a curlew. Well done. Okay. Miss Stirk had some clapping on her group, so I bet somebody in her group must have known what that was. Okay, let's have a look at this word here. Stew. Stew. We are having beef stew for dinner. Stew. Excellent. Right, we've just got a few more left to do here. This one you see all the time in your reading. You. New, new, new. And now this is what, oh, we've got, seem to have sound buttons on both sides of this one. So this word, Miss Fothers forgot, and I put it in yesterday, but it actually makes a U sound. So let's sound it out. R-S-K-U. Rescue. Yes, cat girl to the rescue. Okay. And here is our last word to sound out together. Lila, are you sounding out? Fuel. Fuel. What is fuel? Mason, what's fuel? It can be gas. That's not what fuel is. It's something that makes a vehicle go. So you could, or it's something that makes anything go. The fuel for you is food, isn't it? We need, our fuel is food. We eat lots of good things and it gives us some get up and go. Fuel for a car is petrol or diesel. Fuel for a rocket is rocket fuel. So now it is time to do our writing part of our lesson. So if you're at home, you need your home learning book and a pen or a pencil. And if you're in school, this is where you need your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen. Okay, so the first word is news, and you need to use this phoneme for the news word, news. Okay. News, it's a short word, so you should have written it by now. News, use, and you're using that one. Okay, next word, you've just seen it, so it should be easy. We're using this grapheme, and the word is fuel. Fuel, 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 fuel. Next one, are we on that? Fuel. Remember, we are using this phoneme today. That says U on its own. You don't need a Y. You don't need a Y in this word because this makes the Y sound with the U. U. Okay. Next word with this phoneme is stewing. Miss Fothers is stewing apple to make apple charlotte. Stewing, 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 stewing. How are we doing? Are we done stewing? Good girl. Stewing. Well done. Okay, and our last word for sounding out that we kind of did yesterday as well, but listen carefully because today's word using this grapheme is rescued. 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 Miss Wilkinson rescued Miss Fothers when she forgot to bring her walkie-talkie to classroom. Rescued. 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 Right, let's see if we're ready. Let me just have a look at my gang. Are we ready? Have we got 4 words? Oh, nearly. I can see quite a lot of yeah. I can see some Y's in there. I said you didn't need a Y to make the yeah sound. Let's have a look then. So here is our first word. Our first word is news, which is quite a short word. News. Give yourself a tick if you got that right, or just correct the bits that you got wrong. If you haven't put your sound buttons on, that would be really good if you could put your sound buttons on. Okay, our next word was fuel. I put fuel in the car. Fuel. Okay, and then we went on to our longer words. Our 2-syllable words. So here we have got, I was stewing apples for tea, wasn't I? Stewing. See if you've got all those sounds in there. Put your sound buttons on. Stewing. Okay. And our last word, rescued. Miss Wilkinson has done a lot of rescuing Miss Fothers this week. Miss Wilkinson rescued Miss Fothers when Mrs. McNiven threw purple paint all over her. Rescued. That was quite a tricky one. So there's an example, look, of sometimes when on the end of a word, it just makes a d sound and not an ed sound. Right, fantastic. So next thing that we need to do is we are going to read our sentence, which has just come off a little bit. Let me just rewrite my sentence there. So this is our reading part of our lesson. So there we go. I've written it back on again. Let me see if there are any tricky words that we can't sound out. I think there's only one. We should have learnt all these other sounds in this word. So there is our keyword the, which is very easy for you now because that was the first word that you learnt in reception. So what kind of sentence is this? Just to look at it, you can tell me what kind of sentence it is, and I will tell you where to look. We'll give you a clue. Question. It is. Well done, Pippa. It's a question. So we know as somebody is asking something because at the end is not a full stop here, but a question mark. Okay, so let's read our sentence. Shall we rescue? Shall we rescue the, now here is a long word. Let's sound it out. Injured. Well done. Well done, my class. We are cooking with gas today in here. Injured. Injured. Curl you. You. So let's read the whole sentence to make sure we know exactly what it means. So here we go. Shall we rescue the injured curlew? And I think the answer to that is probably yes, we should always rescue things that are hurt, but maybe it might be better to phone the RSPB. I don't know a lot about wild birds, but they do. Okay, shall we rescue the injured curlew? Okay, now is your writing challenge. So get out your whiteboards again or your home learning books if you're at home. And the sentence I would like you to write is, on Tuesday, I saw a newt. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. So, Miss Fother's top tip of the day, this grapheme for Tuesday and this grapheme for newt. This one for Tuesday and this one for newt. Okay? On Tuesday, I saw a newt. Another top tip from Miss Fothers for this sentence, we have been learning about proper nouns. Tuesday is the name of a day of a week, so it needs a capital letter because it is a proper noun. It's the name of a day of a week. So Tuesday must have a capital T. Your sentence is, on Tuesday, I saw a newt. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. 6 words in that sentence. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. And don't forget your punctuation, please, at the end of your sentence and at the beginning of your sentence.
Capital letter and full stop.
Perfect. Capital letter for the beginning of your sentence and a full stop at the end of your sentence. And don't forget the proper noun in the middle of your sentence. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. Let me just turn around and see how my gang are doing. On a Tuesday, you've missed out the A sound. Remember, a proper noun needs a capital letter. On Tuesday, nearly, you've not quite got Tuesday. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. We're using this phoneme for the U in newt. This one for the U in newt. And this one for the U in Tuesday. So this one for newt. Okay? Right, let's have a look together then. These are getting quite tricky now, but I know you can do it because you are getting to be such superstars. So let's have a look. Here is our sentence that we were writing. A capital O must be tall and much taller than the short letters, even though it looks the same, you make it in the same way as a lowercase one. So, on, Tuesday. And if you didn't get a capital T for Tuesday, Miss Fothers might growl at you because I gave you plenty of clues. So, capital T for Tuesday is really important. Tuesday. On Tuesday, I always has a capital letter. Or that sound that we did the other day. Saw a newt. Newt. So our whole sentence should read, on Tuesday, I saw a newt. And don't forget your punctuation, your full stop at the end of the sentence. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. On Tuesday, I saw a newt. Okay, I hope that you have nearly got that whole sentence right, because I think you should know how to spell most of those words, or at least you can sound them out. Okay, that was fantastic. We have got one more phonics lesson this week, tomorrow, and so I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.